Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. Finally friends, I did receive my Realme GT Neo 3 device, which I did order in the Flipkart website. And in this video I'm going to do the initial unboxing and initial impressions about this device as well. And right now I do have the Realme GT2 and iQOO 9 SE device with me, and a lot of users are actually having this kind of confusion, like which phone is the best option to buy, GT Neo 3 or GT2 or iQOO 9 SE device. So for the next couple of days I'll be definitely concentrating friends, comparing all the three smartphones. Please make sure to follow the playlist. Don't comment same question again and again, because I'll be uploading plenty of videos on these smartphones. So always check the playlist. If there is no video in the playlist, then try to comment. So that's the only one advice I'll try to give you all, because every day I'll be uploading a lot of videos on each and every smartphone. Even on this one also I'll try to upload plenty of videos, and a quick search can get you the video exactly what you want. For example, if you're looking after display in the Realme GT2, just type display and Realme GT2 at the end type SciTech Guru. That's it. If you want haptic feedback vibration, just type haptic feedback Realme GT2 SciTech Guru, or maybe just change the phone name if you want iQOO 9 SE. In this way you can get all my videos what I uploaded. As you can see friends, you go in the display comparison, a quick search. So if you find very difficult to go to the playlist and check for the video, type in this way. If you're looking for the vibration, haptic feedback, iQOO 9 SE, SciTech Guru, you can get that video. So make sure you utilize this kind of small trick to get the videos as soon as possible. And right now let's do the unboxing of this Realme GT Neo 3 device. Finally friends, here is a box inside we got right now, and this is the Realme GT Neo 3 finally. So GT Neo 3 in the studio at this moment exactly. And as I said, I do have the Realme GT Neo 2 as well. Definitely I try to compare side by side, but in this both phones also. So please let me know in the comments what other videos you want me to compare on this device. I can definitely do the comparison as soon as possible. And there is a yellow color seal as well, seal proof, which is present, and 80 watt super dot charger, Dimensity 8100 processor, and dedicated display processor is also present, which is the game frame interpolation. Definitely try to test those things in the next upcoming videos. And camera also I'll try to compare with the GT2 and iQOO 9 SE. So let's get started friends with the quick unboxing. So let's take out the seal for the Realme GT Neo 3 device. So this is a Realme GT Neo 3. Let's see friends what are the box contents inside we can actually get inside the GT Neo 3 device exactly right now. Let's keep everything side, all the phones side, and we do have the warranty slip, I think, quick guide, some other papers, and it is a GT Neo 3 finally, which I'm waiting for a very long time. GT Neo 3 device feels pretty hot, but anyway. So let's keep side and let's check in the box contents. Oh, they have provided the transparent case, not the another one which the Realme used to provide for the GT series especially. I'll try to show you the other type of cases right now. I do have here. I'm going to get the case. So this used to be the case in the GT2. This is the case we got, and GT Neo 2, this is the case we got. GT Neo 2 case is not that good, default case, but GT2 case is very good, which is very soft. I was expecting something similar like this, but that's not the case. We got the transparent one, so after a long time use, this gonna become like hellish kind of color. Something to be noted anyway. And we do have the USB cable, and we do have SIM card removal pin, and is a dongle. No dongle in the box, like Type-C to 3.5mm jack. Dongle is not present. No dongle even inside this one. No dongle, nothing. So dongle is not provided friends, so you need to buy the Type-C to 3.5mm jack dongle. So make sure you check out the links in description. So which is a OnePlus one, which is really good. You got in the dongle setup. So finally these are the quick unboxing and initial impressions about this GT Neo 3 device exactly right now. Let me to keep everything in the box as well. And right now, so let's do the quick unwrapping of this device as well right now. So right now there is no offer going on in the Realme GT Neo 3, but in the future definitely there is an offer gonna come on this device. So it's a quick unwrapping, and wow, it feels pretty good overall, not bad on the back side. We got in the quality and everything. Camera bump is also there, pretty good. So let me do boot up. So is any power left or not? Let's see. And the phone has got the 10-bit display panel. That's also another advantage in this device. And the 5000 mAh of battery capacity, 80 watts fast charging, Sony IMX1766 camera sensor is also present. In-display fingerprint scanner and dual speaker setup and dual SIM card. There is no SD card obviously. And let me check the weight of this phone. How much the weight can be there? Right now the weight of this phone is exactly 190 grams, even though with the 5000 mAh of battery capacity, but the phone has got 190 grams. That's also really good. And bezels looks pretty thin as well, not bad regarding the bezels. So it's not that thin, but it's kind of okay, I would say, regarding the bezels. Not bad regarding the thickness. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching. This is a quick initial unboxing and initial impressions about this device overall. So I did like these slim bezels around this device, not bad. So it feels pretty good holding this device. So definitely, friends, I'll try to do the next upcoming videos, comparison videos, a lot of performance videos and camera comparison videos as well on this GT Neo 3 device. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other questions, let me know in the comment section below. And meanwhile, signing off until then, stay tuned for more videos and bye.